Imagine two people, both earning exactly the same salary. Both live in the same city. Both start with zero savings. 20 years later, one is financially free. The other is living paycheck to paycheck. What happened? The answer has nothing to do with income. It has everything to do with choices. Let's meet Alex. Alex gets a promotion. His salary increased by €300 per month. Finally, life is getting better. So, he is upgrading his lifestyle. A newer phone, a nicer car, more subscriptions, more dinners out, a few monthly payments here and there. Nothing extreme, nothing crazy, just small upgrades. After all, he earned them, right? Now, let's meet David. David gets the exact same promotion, the exact same €300 increase. But instead of upgrading his lifestyle, he upgrades his future. Every month, he invests the extra €300, and then he forgets about it. Fast forward 20 years, Alex has owned 4 phones, 3 cars, hundreds of restaurant meals, and dozens of subscriptions he barely remembers. Most of those subscriptions are now worth nothing. David invested the same €300 each month, assuming a long-term average return 10%. His portfolio has grown to more than €200,000 from money he has already earning. This is where most people get confused. They think wealth is built by earning more, but wealth is usually built by keeping more. The real cost of €1,000 phone isn't €1,000. The real cost is what the money could have become. Every purchase has an invisible price. Economists call it opportunity cost. The money you spend and the future growth you sacrifice. This is why wealthy people think differently. Before they buy an expensive liability, they ask a simple question. What else could this money become? Because every euro has 2 possible jobs: to impress people today or to build freedom tomorrow. So, what does a productive asset actually look like? For some people, it is a business. For others, it is a real estate. But for many ordinary investors, it can be something much simpler: a diversified ETF. At NomismaNow, we focus on broad market ETFs such as a VUAA and dividend growth ETFs such as a DGRW. Because those investments allow us to become owners of a productive businesses around the world, instead of simply becoming consumers. If you would like to start building assets instead of liabilities, you can use the referral link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. I personally use Freedom24 for my long-term investing, and through the special referral link, you may receive a free stock after your first deposit, subject to the platform's current promotional terms. Of course, always do your own research and understand the risk before investing. Most people spend years trying to look wealthy, and very few spend years becoming wealthy. The difference is not income. The difference is what happens after the paycheck arrives. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the journey.